You're doing reading prep activities with your child, the letter games, the sound practice, maybe some worksheets, but here's what most parents don't realize. Your laundry pile is teaching reading. Loading the dishwasher is teaching reading. Picking up toys is teaching reading. The problem is you're just not talking during these moments the way that you need to. I'm Rebecca, I've been teaching reading for 15 years, and today I'm showing you how to turn 4 everyday chores into powerful pre-reading practice. There's no prep, no extra time, just different words during things you're already doing. Pre-reading skills don't come from workbooks. They come from patterns, language, and repetition. Your child is helping with chores anyways, so instead of just saying, "Put that away," you're going to talk differently during these moments. And that's the whole shift. Chore number 1 is laundry. Laundry is wildly underrated for reading prep. While you're sorting, narrate the sounds out loud. Sock, sweater. These both start with s. You're not testing your child, you're just modeling sound awareness. Then you can add syllables. Sweater and clap twice. Shirt and clap once. You can make it a game. Can you find something with 2 claps? This is phonological awareness, which is the ability to hear and work with parts of a word. Your child needs this skill before they can connect sounds to letters. And you're building it while folding laundry. Chore number 2 is cleanup time. Cleanup time is gold for oral language development. Instead of just saying clean up, narrate the steps. First, we pick up the blocks. Next, we put them in the bin. Then we close the lid. Words like first, next, and last aren't just helpful for behavior. They're literacy tools that build narrative structure and sequencing skills. And here's what I do with my students. I turn cleanup into a story. You can say the cars are driving home to the garage. The dinosaurs are going back to their cave. This strengthens oral language, which research shows is one of the strongest predictors of reading success later on. Chore number 3 is kitchen work. The kitchen is loaded with reading opportunities. While you're unloading the dishes, use concept vocabulary. This plate is round. This fork is smaller than the spoon. This cup is empty. Now it's full. That's the vocabulary your child needs to understand text later. Cooking adds even more. You're reading labels together, pointing to letters on boxes, talking about quantities and order. You're showing your child that print has meaning and words exist everywhere. And that's a foundational print concept. Chore number 4, organizing toys. When you're organizing toys, you're already grouping by type. All the animals go here. All the cars go here. Now label in the sound work. Cars, k, cars. If your child is developmentally ready, you can casually point it out. Cars starts with C. You're not drilling them, you're testing them. You're exposing them to the connection between sounds and letters during real meaningful moments. And that's how the brain actually learns, through repetition, exposure, and meaning. When children have strong oral language and sound awareness, before they start phonics, they learn it so much easier. The foundation is already there. You're not replacing explicit phonics instruction, you're preparing their brain for it. And that makes all the difference when they sit down and learn letter sounds and blending. So the next time you're folding laundry, cleaning up toys, you're not missing out on learning time. You're right in the middle of it. Literacy doesn't start with a worksheet, it starts with conversation, play, and everyday routines. When you shift how you talk about chores, you turn ordinary moments into reading practice. If you want a complete toolkit that gives you structured 5-minute daily routines for teaching reading at home, then you can check out my early reader pack. There's a link in the section below. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which chore you're gonna try this with first. And if you want more simple play-based activities that build reading skills, check out the fun play-based reading activities playlist in the end screen. And I'll see you next time.